Hello guys. Um, Good morning, everyone. I want to use this medium to share on how to identify the market key zones that will enable you to trade in a macro direction for a month, in a macro direction for a month, okay, or more than, or 2 months or 3 months. All right. When we talk about macro analysis gives you an edge, the edge for you to ride the market um, for completely a month or 2 months, okay? Trading the market on one direction. One direction I'm talking about does not mean that market will not come, pullback will not show up, no. But I'm talking of the major direction of the market, all right? Majorly swing traders do this, and for you to trade effectively, you must know the key zones of the market, where market is being expected to give you a higher win rate or risk reward. All right, that's what I want to teach you guys now. As we dive into our chart, we can see our chart now. Okay, let's move on. The first one, I want to use this time from here. I want to use what I have here to explain it. Okay, I'm starting from monthly. I'm using CardChef monthly to give you the key zones of the market. Monthly to give you the key zones of the market. So in monthly, what you have to do is to look for zones, where this market have multiple rejections. All right. Likewise here, this is a key zone. Here is a key zone. You can see there is multiple rejection here, right? Is a key zone. Then we have another key zone here. This zone here, this up here is a key zone because there is a break and retest and market come down here, right? Then from here, from this zone, this down here, monthly is in form of support and resistance. That is what you will find on monthly zones. All right. So this is the major key zones in this market. This is a key zone in this market. So when you've drawn the macro zones, higher time frame, which is monthly zones, are the key zones in the market. All right. So what I have to do here now is to adjust it, look at it here, multiple resistance, resistance. This is a monthly zone. And for this market to open and close, it will take you 1 month. All right. I would not like this video to be much, up to 7 or not up to 7 minutes. Okay. So what I have to do here is to come up here, use different colors to identify the zones you want to trade with, which means the higher time frames. With higher time frames, I mean monthly. All right. This is a monthly zone here. Okay. I have a monthly zone. And if you don't want to grab it this way, you can equally tap on it. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you clone it. Tap on it, clone it. Clone. So I have up to 3 zones here. I have to use this here, bring it down here, then here, bring it down here. All right. This is a monthly zones, monthly key zones. So had it been that, because I grabbed market from here, I traded from here. All right. So what I did is this. When market is on this zone, right, then we have equally the down zone. Still have another one. We still have another one. We have this now. All right. Market is giving us break break retest. We have up to 4 key zones here. Okay, so what I have to do is to go back to weekly. When I get to weekly, okay, Guys, you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So throughout this week, my expectation in this market now is for the market to continue downtrend. All right, KCHF to continue downtrend until market get to this zone, which is here, and this can equally give you up to 2 weeks or 3 weeks, almost 2 weeks before they will get down here. So what you have to do exactly is immediately you find the direction of this market here. This is the key for you to make a huge profit in trade. That's what I want to show you guys. So from here, what do you have to do? Immediately you find your entry on this weekly zone. Your expectation for this market is here. So you keep on holding this market when you find entry here. So what we have to do to go back on weekly, daily. So on daily, what are we expecting now? Markets have come up on this zone and there's a reaction here. All right, a reaction here, then here. So on this reaction, what are you expecting to do? You're expecting to hold onto this market, all right? Then what, immediately you find your entry here, all right? Because we've already known the major key zone in this market. So I have to look for my zones where to be looking for entry until market will come down on this zone. Which zone do I need? Then I have to go to 4 hours or weekly. This is a zone here, under here, all right? Go to 4 hours. Go to 4 hours, guys. Okay, under here. Remember, you've already find a key zone of entry. Then here, you will see exactly what market did. Watch here. Watch this zone. So for you to enter trade on this zone, what do you need? You have to come down here and continue looking for your sell on this zone. All right. Looking for your sell is for you to identify these zones. I would have, okay, let me adjust some of these key zones, guys, because when you get to small time frame, you have to adjust them so that you can equally see exactly what you're about to do. This is the beauty of mapping out zones, because it allows you to know where the market is heading to. What do you expect from the market when market is going to that zone? As I said before, that here I've already seen the clear direction of this market, that KCHF will be down throughout. All right, you can equally see here the direction of this market. So for me to follow this direction, I have to come down weekly. Remember, this is the monthly direction. Weekly is where I'm looking for, but you cannot enter trade on weekly. I have to go back on daily to adjust the key levels. This is the key level here where the market started trending. All right, so I have to come back on 4 hours again. So these 4 hours is where I'll be looking for my edges to enter trade. Likewise here, what the market did here. All right, I don't want to do much thing here, because I can equally see weekly zones to draw weekly zones, but I don't want to go into much details on this. Okay, so these zones, I've seen the weekly key zones. I have monthly here, I have monthly here, then this middle here. All right, this middle here, they are the weekly key zones. Weekly key zones. Put it to a different color. This, so the middle here now, we have a different color, which is the middle color here. Monthly. Here is the middle color. I can equally spot another ones here, another colors here, which can equally be weekly or daily zones. Like here, this is a key zones. All right, these key zones, you can spot them on daily. You can spot them on daily. You can equally see it here, right? This is it here. on these daily zones, what do you expect from here, guys? You already know that here is a weekly zone. You already know. Then on these daily zones, all right, this is daily key level, this is weekly key level, this is monthly key level, this is monthly key level. So what you have to do here is to change a color, separate color for weekly, for daily key zones. Use separate color, all right? Exactly what I will do here now. I can equally use separate color for weekly key, daily key zones for you to know where you are heading to. But your main purpose of drawing this is not for you to change the bias of this market. No, this is the monthly, this is the daily, this is weekly, this is monthly. All right. So this market is trading in direction of monthly zones. So this is a 4 hours where I'm expecting to take my entry here. All right. And in this in this zone here, what I have to do when I get to 4 hours, I'm expecting a sell on this market. Equally, as I said before, I'm expecting a sell from these weekly key zones. All right. Then here, if I miss this first entry here, because I've seen my entry zone here, if I miss this entry here, what do I have to do? I have to come back on 4 hours and look for continuation of this trend. All right. And knowingly to you that this market has given you what we know as entry zones. That entry zones is what I'm trying to show you guys now. Okay, from here, I want to change the color of that entry zones. Entry zones in regard to this market momentum, which is a downtrend, then I've seen it on 4 hours here, guys. This is where you go for your entry on 4 hours. So this 4 hours is where you'll be looking for your entry on this market. Adjust it a bit. Adjust this a bit. Adjust them a bit. So you trade the market in direction of higher time frame, which is monthly time frame. All right. So here I've already seen the entry of this market, which is here. All right, which is here. This is what many use to make money. This is what I use to trade, and I know what I'm saying. Those people making money on trade, they don't trade without knowing the key zone. I'm sharing what I labored for years, to up to how many years now that I started trading. I'm sharing what I labored for to you guys for free. So this is how to map out the zones, and after mapping the zones, you can trade in direction of these key zones. Shalom, guys. I'm signing out. Practice it and ask me some questions. Okay? Shalom.